multi-compatible game controller for PC, Nintendo Switch, Android, iPhone, Steam, Tesla 2 for GH and Bluetooth 5.0 dual wireless connection, stable and no latency, wired connection by 5FT charging cable plug and play meanwhile charging. eSport grade dual Hall effect trigger and stick overclocking mode innovation Hall stick with self-developed algorithms 3.0 plus achieved 600 Hz polling rate overclocking mode and millimeter response speed. Hall electromagnetic induction principle achieved trigger function, pressing accuracy up to 0.1 millimeters, 35% faster than traditional physical trigger. Bring to gamers different gaming experience from other controllers, suitable for Steam games such as GTA 6, Rocket League, Valorant. Support PC Switch motion control for sensing gaming real 6-axis gyro sensor. With the support of BEITONG somatosensory mapping technology, not only support Switch, but also PC gaming for motion control, take aim, triggered rules actions and key value mapping available when gamers play motion sensing games, suitable for Switch games such as Fortnite, Minecraft, The Legend of Zelda. 600 mAh battery game controller with customized buttons macro programming pound are BM1M to buttons, highly custom for gaming ultimate skills, combos, actions, etc. Gamers could easily output complex operations by one click. 600 mAh built-inly battery, durable for long life.
Give me all you got.
You're as strong as ever, Piccolo.
Do you think this is some sort of game?
What? No way! I know it's not a game. I'm just really pumped to fight you.
Give me all you got.